Hi, I'm at SHOT Show. My name is Bo Ballard. I'm with Leatherman Tool Company. I'm the Director of Sales for North America. Today we're excited to talk about our new free collection. So we have our multi-purpose pocket tools. We'll start with the T2. So it's a great sleek ergonomic design on this. Just a few components on the inside like we talked about before. I'll flip through the back right here to fan out what I need. Again, we're not using our fingernails. It's a totally different way to look at this. So you can see through here we have an all box cutter and also Phillips right through there. We also have a blade as well. And to deactivate that, you'll pull down again and it closes back into its compartments. Again, magnets. And also we talked about we have a nice new design through this, very sleek. So that's the T2. Will be at $34.95. And then the T4, which has a few more other options on it, bells and whistles, utilized the same way. Fan out the components that you need. Also on the back through here, pair of scissors, all Phillips head. Close that back up. As we talked about earlier, things has a blade as well. Deactivate, and that's the T4. And that will be at $59.95.